Hey guys, so I made it out to that area I was talking about with all the melted bricks, and I think I have enough battery to share this with you guys. So we're just gonna walk along the trail and look at what is defined as a lava flow. This does not look like lava flow to me at all. And just a ways down, there's some really clear examples of bricks. And here's a good one. Yep, there's some lava flow for you. Nice bright angle. Guys, this is a super freaking melted brick. Damn, just look at that. Just wasted. And all of this is you ever seen Terminator 2 Judgment Day? Or wait, no. Was it the first one? Yeah, where Reese is having that dream and he has this flashback of being back in the war and you know, everything's just being blown up. And that's kind of what I think of. Just incredible destruction. And look up here. Look at that. That sure is odd for a lava flow. Okay, let's keep on going while I've still got battery. And as we get farther down the trail, you get this mixture of these super melted bricks, like what I just showed you, combined with bricks that aren't melted and still have their color. Hopefully I can find an example. All right, battery check. All right, gotta hurry up. Oh man, guys, look at this. This does not have the texture of a solidified and broken lava flow. Look at that. Oh, there it is. I put this here. Okay. All right, check this out. These are all over the place too. Still has the red brick color. Let's just play around on this mound for a minute, shall we? And it's funny and not poking fun at anybody. That's not what this is, but it's funny because in the gift shop, they have these like buckets of lava rocks for sale with absolutely clear right angles on them. And it's like, no, those are melted bricks. Look at this. All right, let's keep going. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh, wow. Look at this. Ooh, ouch. Okay. Just fried. absolutely fried. Here's another collapsed area. And it makes me think of earthquakes, and earthquakes actually being the settling of these huge underground structures. And it looks like there's some layers of bricks right there that melted and folded a bit. And see, there's some more folded layers there. And look at this. Hello there, bricks. Still kind of together. This is a melted building. This is just a huge pile of melted bricks. And I'm not saying lava flows don't exist. They do. There's footage of them forming. Just Google it. It's a ton of it on YouTube. But this is not that. This is something else. Look at this texture. This is interesting. Are these bricks that are still kind of together? And what was interesting is in that area that I was hiking, north of Flagstaff by Colton Crater, with that huge lava flow, within the solidified and broken lava flow, I was finding melted bricks with a bit of a different texture intermixed with the solidified, fractured, and broken lava flow. And what was really strange is that in one area of this huge lava flow, and it must have been, I don't know, 20, 30 feet tall, it was huge. There were these like melted buildings sticking out of the flow. And so what I'm wondering is if the flow took out a bunch of brick buildings and the certain parts of the flow, you know, having a different temperature and, you know, enough to knock the structures over but not melt them, and maybe the bricks got churned into the flow somehow. I'm not sure. There's a lot going on out there. But absolutely fascinating place. I have a bunch of videos out there that I still need to edit and upload. I'm sitting on so much evidence and so many photos. Look at this texture back here. Trying to find one with a really noticeable, clear 90-degree angle. I took a bunch of them already. They're in my car. Let's see, battery check. Ooh, okay. Oh, here's another collapse. Let's go take a peek, shall we? Look at that, all the folding. and it rained earlier, and you can hear the water seeping down through all these bricks. Oh wow, there's another tube, another passageway, part of the structure over there. Wow. So what are continents? Because it doesn't seem to matter where you're at. If you're out here in super nuked territory in Arizona, or even if you're on the East Coast, if you're in Alabama, I mean, there's evidence of melting everywhere. We're just living on top of ruins. Whew. And we pay to go into these national parks, areas of incredible destruction, given a false narrative, and we pay to go in and be indoctrinated. It's just amazing. I mean, the system is sick but brilliant at the same time. How much do we pay for our college degrees? And here's an example of what I mentioned earlier. What I think may also be bricks, but maybe a different kind of brick. Still has a bit of the color. Yeah, there's some areas that have more of these like sandstone colored bricks. There's a good one. Let's get this on a different backdrop. Does that look like part of a lava flow to you? Look at that, guys. That's a good one. I gotta take this with me. Damn! Oh, there's a, oh, woohoo! Go, we found some good ones. All right. Oh, this is good too. I gotta take this with me too. Different backdrop. Look at that. It's a freaking melted brick, guys. My gosh. Look, there's another corner for you right there. Hello. Here's another good one.
Find something?
Oh, I love rocks. You can't get enough of it.
They're definitely beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful and strange.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh, I'm zoomed in. Hello, guys. Hi.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you do the same. Enjoy your hike. All right, so let's put these all together. All right. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Let's look at these angles, guys. Look at these angles. Bam. Battery check. All right, still got a little life. Okay. Oh, look, there's some more of those light colored ones. I don't know what's going on with that. Probably bricks. Here's a good one. No, this is kind of heavy. I can't move that. Look at this. It's another one with a nice corner on it. Hey there, lava flow. Huh. Okay. Whew. Jeez, oh peas, guys. Where are we? What is this place? Oh, it's kind of circular, isn't it? I'm just seeing that now. I don't know if you can make it out in the video. No, we live in a completely destroyed realm, and we're taught that the destruction is the result of naturally occurring geologic processes. We're under this spell. And then when you break out of it, when the spell lifts, at least for me, and I know a lot of other people in this community, you just can't stop thinking about it. And you see that evidence everywhere. And like, I was just in Pueblo, Colorado, Trinidad, Colorado, Las Vegas, New Mexico, and all of these are old world cities. And the buildings have been repurposed. I made some videos on that too. But yeah, there you go, guys. Man. Yeah, and they have stuff just like this in the gift shop with these clear 90-degree angles called lava rocks. Oh, man. Maybe I should write melted bricks on it, just cross it out. Amazing, amazing finds. I need a bigger bag. All right. I think I'm going to stop the video here. Oh my gosh, I've been recording a while. But no, this is just so important to me. I live to share this with you guys, and it's one of the most meaningful things I can do with my time and with my life is to figure out as best I can what this reality actually is, because it's not what we've been taught it is. Not at all. It's like we're all Truman, and we're all in the Matrix or something, and starting to break out of it, and the rabbit hole just keeps getting deeper and deeper. So thanks for watching this long, and I love you all. Take care. Bye for now. From, where am I? Bandera. Volcano, New Mexico.